How to check your current password of your Google account on your phone. So first you will need to open up the Chrome browser on your phone and then click on the three vertical dots on the top right hand side. Then you want to click on settings and then click on your Google account profile. Then scroll down and click on Chrome manage your Google account under Chrome data. And then you will need to click on your password manager. And if you don't see password manager, you can basically click on the search icon here and search for it by name by typing password manager. And if you see it, you can click on it directly here. And from here, you can search for Google. So basically type Google in the search and it will ask you to confirm your identity. And then it should show you the saved Google accounts. And from here, if you click on the eye icon, you should be able to see or view the currently saved password, which is your actual Google account password. And for iPhone users, you should be able to also check the passwords app in your phone to see all the saved passwords. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.